Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have another interesting problem here. We're going to give a step-by-step solution to this radical equation. So here we have square root of 2x plus 1, which is equal to 3. So here we'll be solving for the value of x, right? So let's start. The first thing we'll do here is to square both sides of this equation, right? So we're going to square this and equally square the right hand side. As we know, for example, square root of a raised to the power of 2 is equal to a, because square we cancel the square root, right? But here we have two square root signs, so this square we cancel the first square root. So here we are left with square root of 2x plus 1, right? Which is equal to, from the right hand side, 3 squared is 9. Okay, again we have another square root, so let's go ahead and square both sides. Okay, so here square this side and equally square the right hand side. We know this square we cancel the square roots, and here we have 2x then plus 1, which is equal to 9 squared is 81. Okay, so look at this left hand side of this equation. We have positive 1. So what happens when we subtract 1 from both sides? We see that the positive 1 here and the negative 1 will vanish, and that will be left with 2x, right? So let's do that. So here we have 2x then plus 1 minus 1. This will be equal to 81 minus 1. So from here we can see that plus 1 minus 1, this is 0. So here we have 2x, which should be equal to 81 minus 1, will give us 80, right? Okay, so from here, the next thing to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x in this case is 2. So divide this by 2 and divide here by 2. So these 2 we cancel these 2, and here we're left with x. So our answer now, we get x is equal to 80 divided by 2, which should give us 40. So the right answer to this problem is 40. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.